Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure you're in the right place. YouTube signed into the account you use for voice queries. Once done, update the app so settings match the current interface and grant microphone permission in your device settings. Make sure voice search is allowed when YouTube asks. This unlocks the microphone button. Don't waste time on basics. Confirm those 3 items now so the language change you make next will apply correctly to voice input. Now change the language that controls voice recognition and search results. Go to Profile, tap Settings, then Language and Location. Select the language you want for YouTube display and search. Once set, understand that voice recognition often follows your Google account language, so make sure your Google account language matches if results differ. If they don't align, change the account language in Google settings. Doing both avoids. Finish by testing voice search. Tap the mic, speak simple queries, and listen for language-appropriate results. If you don't hear or see the change, restart YouTube or your device. Settings sometimes need a relaunch. Make sure the microphone permission remains enabled and that your Google account language is consistent. If it still fails, clear the app cache, confirm the app is updated, and check device language. These steps fix most recognition problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.